What's up guys, thanks for checking out this brand new guitar tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be looking at how you play You by James Arthur, and we're going to be looking at how you play it on the acoustic guitar. Before you do anything, make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up as we go along. Please share it, and if you have any comments, please use the comments box below and I'll answer any questions that you may have. Right, let's take a closer look and see how we play this. Okay, so here we are zoomed into the guitar. So there's a couple of ways of playing this. We can play them in the first position, the chords in the first position, or we can actually play the bar chords. So I'm going to play two different ways. I'm going to start with the bar chords. We're going to start with our A minor, and it stays on the A minor like this. What I'm doing, I'm plucking the first four strings, the E, the B, the G and the D, and I'm playing A minor up on the fifth. So if you don't know how to play that, you need a bar chord. You need to bar fret number 5 with your first finger. You need to put your the third finger on the 5th string of the 7th fret, and then you need to put your pinky finger tucked underneath on the 4th string of the 7th fret. And what we're going to do is just play 5 strings. We're not going to play the top root notes. We're not going to play the 6th string, and we're going to muffle it. We're going to palm mute it with our palm. It's going to sound like this. You're basically doing it every beat of the bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next chord you're going to need to know, and that's transition, goes from the A minor, G major to the F major. So it sounds like this. So we've got that. So G major, bar chord, first finger across the 3rd fret, all 6 strings. Second finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string, 3rd finger on the 5th string of the 5th fret, and then your pinky finger is on the 4th string of the 5th fret. And that's got a passing note, passing chord that is. So A minor, G, F, and that F is the same as the G, but we're going to take it 2 frets down to the 1st fret. And again, we're going to play every beat, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and we're going to go back up. And then we're on to the chorus section, which is F major, D minor, and again I'm playing it as a bar chord, A minor, G major. And if you need to follow the track, use your mobile phone, play along with the song as it goes on, or flick back to the beginning of the tutorial and you can hear how I play this along with the track. So we've got So let's have a look at that F. Well, we know our F chord already as a bar chord. We're going to move up to the D minor. You can play D minor in the first position, but I'm going to play it up here on the 5th. So effectively, it's an A major, but you're moving your 2nd finger, 3rd finger and pinky finger down a string. So the next string down. So I'll just clarify that. 1st finger barring across all of fret 5. 2nd finger is on string number 2, fret number 6. 3rd finger is on fret number 7, string number 4, and then pinky finger is then tucked in on fret number 7, string number 3. We're not going to play that top E string, we're just going to play from string number 5 down. So, 2 chords. And then we go back to the A minor. And then to the G. Repeat that pattern. The D minor. And then for the end of the phrase, we go to the F, to the D minor again. Play that twice. And then to the G. Back to the start. 2, 3. So if you can't play bar chords, not to worry, we'll play it in the first position now. So let's have our A minor. Onto the chorus. To D minor. To the A minor. To the G. Back to the F. To the D minor. To the A minor. To the F. Then to the D minor. Repeat. And to the G. Back to the start. Really, really simple, really nice song to play. Bearing in mind the guitar is an electric guitar on the track, so you can obviously use your electric guitar if you prefer, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm using the acoustic. It's the same principles they apply. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We've got plenty more coming out very soon. I shall see you again.